Hi, I'm Rosalind. I work for Janssen Biotech, which is a Johnson & Johnson family of company. Johnson & Johnson is the largest healthcare company in the world. It has three divisions: consumer, pharmaceutical, and medical devices. And actually, as of today, we found out that Johnson & Johnson is going to spin off the consumer division and it will become its own separate operating company. Janssen Biotech is organized in a vertical line with a very specialization of labor. And the specialization helps us to become product experts. In addition to have in-house Janssen sales representatives, we also have contracted sales representatives to help us in our selling efforts. And they also just recently added a telemarketing division in which call centers call offices directly. Specifically, Janssen Biotech is very customer oriented. We purchase prescribing data from outside vendors, which also includes competitor data. So with this data, we are able to segment our customers and develop a very specific marketing message for each customer. Secondly, our company's sales strategy is based on the goals that are developed by the company. These goals and objectives are drilled down to the territory level and is usually based on volume change, market share change, or any of the combination. We recently instituted a CMR system, or what we call a machine learning. And with the machine learning, in addition to customer prescribing habits, they further gather the types of patients that these physicians are seeing. So that way it gives us a better idea of their mindset. And also we can either specifically target one-on-one with that specific prescriber. Things that we might modify. Even though Janssen Biotech has so many resources and we have access to so much data, but sometimes the problem with the data is that it's not in real time, or it may not be accurate. If we can't purchase the data because of some accounts or some physicians they rather opt out, that data is pretty much guesstimated. So it could be off quite a bit. And our sales goals are based on that data. So I think maybe if we can't get exact data or accurate data, I think we shouldn't use those numbers to project our sales goals. And also that sales data is not in real time. It could be up to a 3 or 4 week delay. And again, this is a very fluid market. So if the data is not current, sometimes it's just not valuable. Secondly, we have sales teams and that we have multiple reps within one territory. And if we don't overly communicate, that message may be lost. And I also think there should be one point of contact for the customer. So that way, if they need something from Janssen Biotech, there's one person that they can contact as opposed to looking for multiple cards to contact multiple people. And thirdly, the machine learning that we just introduced, that information was gathered by an outside vendor. And we can't modify that data. And because we've known these customers sometimes for years, we have more accurate information as opposed to what he prescribes and why he prescribes it. So I think it will be helpful if we were allowed to modify that data. And I think it would be more accurate. In addition, that machine learning is only as accurate as the information that we put into it. So if we don't put in real world accurate information, the information we get back is not accurate. But other than that, I think Janssen Biotech and Johnson & Johnson is a phenomenal company. Thank you.